legal arguments and affix the authority of the American state to a falsehood manufactured for the apparent purpose of evading the nation's highest court. That is how institutions are corrupted. First, they are asked to bend the truth, then to attest to the lie, and then the lies become routine. So no one thinks they are even unusual. It is the road to Orwell's world. Incidentally, Walk Free, the human rights group that compiles the Global Slavery Index, estimates that America imports $169.6 billion worth of goods annually that are at risk of being made with forced labor, by far the highest total among the group of 20 countries. That does not prove American enforcement is worse than that of other countries that Trump has targeted, but it makes the administration's moral posture look even more absurd than it is. The economic case against tariffs is stronger by the day as the numbers roll in. Spending on manufacturing construction, which surged under Joe Biden and peaked at about $250 billion at an annual rate in September 2024, had fallen to about $175 billion by May of this year. Manufacturing employment is down roughly 75,000 jobs since Trump returned to office. Factory output has risen, but the gains are concentrated in advanced manufacturing and AI, much of it reflecting investments planned before Trump took office and little related to tariffs. Consider Greg Fraley, whom the U.S. Chamber of Commerce wrote about a few months ago. He helps run Falco, a small Arizona company that makes aluminum parts for commercial aircraft. This is precisely the kind of business Trump says he wants to help: an American factory employing American workers. Falco's aluminum costs are up 72%. The company cannot simply buy American metal. Domestic production meets only about half of U.S. demand, and much of that output is not available on the open market. So
Hello everyone. No enemy can harm the America as so much that Trump has done. Even Supreme Court has tried to stop the Trump, but Trump has not paid any attention to the Supreme Court. He is not listening them also. Now the only way is to stop the Trump. We should be patient and decide our decision in the elections. In the election, we should not further support the Trump and his all the close government members that are supporting him, that are involved all in these activities. We should be not further select them. We should be decide with our vote. We have only these power, and we have the voice power which is on the social media. But Trump pay no attention. Then we should only decide with the vote in the coming election that no one should select the Trump, and we should behave like that. No one put a vote, even single a vote to the Trump. Those people that are giving the vote to him should think about the facts and the figure. Too much tariff has gone. It is directly put a lot of the burden on the poor people, and also reduce their purchasing power. Poor people will not only buy the things that are necessary for the living, for their life, like clothes, eating things, but Trump have put a lot of the burden on them. This is a very destructive. We should care about the humanity. You should play a strategic game of the economic. You should not put on tariff. Give your opinion in the comment. Hope you like my video. We'll meet in the next video.